Dice are the oldest form of gaming known to mankind. Their origin is unknown, even to us. However, we've been making dice for over 10 years. We offer a wide range of RPG and wargaming dice for every game and setting with our own unique designs and custom dice in all shapes and colors. All our products are made in Poland, EU, but we ship worldwide. We also make matching dice bags and cups. Once we mastered the production of plastic dice, we introduced our metal dice to the world. Now, in cooperation with Paizo Inc., we are working on something really unique. We will make the most awesome dice set on Earth, made fully from metal, incredibly durable with a lifetime warranty. Highly detailed finishing, intricate engraving also on the edges of the dice. It might well be the most unique metal dice set on Earth.